Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product finds, and today, we have a real seasonal gem for you. Say hello to the best snow day mug, the Karma 16 ounces Shelly Holiday Mug. Whether you're curled up with a good book or catching snowflakes from your window, this mug is your perfect winter companion. Let's start with what makes this mug so charming. This isn't just any ceramic cup, it's a holiday hug in mug form. From its boho-inspired artwork to its playful, let it snow, ski theme, every detail oozes Christmas cheer. The snow-covered mountain design, topped with tiny skiers, makes it feel like you're sipping cocoa straight from a snow globe. The soft, rounded shape fits snugly in your hands, like it was made for frosty mornings and cozy evenings. What sets the Shelly Holiday Mug apart is its combination of form and function. Made of durable stoneware, it holds a generous 16 ounces of your favorite hot drink. Whether that's peppermint mocha, chai latte, or a hearty herbal tea. And yes, it's microwave safe, so go ahead and reheat that half-finished coffee from earlier, no judgment here. Now, let's talk about style. This mug falls under the modern decor category but with a rustic twist. It's bold yet minimal, festive but not flashy. You can tell it's been designed not just as a drinking vessel, but as a seasonal statement piece. Put it on your desk, your coffee bar, or your kitchen shelf, and suddenly your whole space feels more cheerful, more personal, more winter-ready. The thick ceramic keeps your drinks warm longer, while the sturdy handle ensures a comfy grip, even when you're bundled up in gloves. The glaze finish adds a glossy sheen that not only enhances the art but also makes it easy to clean. Imagine this. Snow is falling gently outside, you're wrapped in a thick blanket, and this mug is warming your hands while you sip hot chocolate and watch a holiday movie. That's the vibe this mug delivers, consistently. Let's not forget, it's also a great gift. Whether you're stuffing stockings or doing a secret Santa, this mug is universally loved. Men, women, teenagers, anyone who enjoys a warm drink and a bit of winter magic will appreciate it. So, if you're looking to elevate your snow day ritual or add a spark of joy to your kitchen, the Karma 16 ounces Shelly Holiday Mug is an easy win. Simple, festive, functional, and absolutely adorable. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss another cozy favorite. Stay warm, stay festive, and we'll see you next time.